Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through break-even analysis, guys. Okay, so basically what is break-even point or what is break-even analysis? That's your question, right? So break-even point is nothing but if your earnings are increasing, guys. Okay, so and your expenditure is in this way. Okay, so this is the point at which your expenditure or nothing but your investment is equals to what you got is nothing but break point, guys. So let us go through the definition. So break even point, so it is the point where the sales revenue is equals to the cost to make the selling product. That is nothing but no profit, no loss. At this situation you are not in profit, not in profit or not in loss. So this situation we will be calling it as break even point. That is nothing but total revenue is equals to total cost or total sales equal to total expenses. Fine. So you can draw the diagram in this way, guys. So this is your cost and this is your profit. This is your earnings. So they both meet at a point. So that point they both are equal indirectly. So that indicates that is break point. So assumptions. So we are even here also we are having some assumptions. So total cost is suggested to be fixed. So the cost of the particular product which you are checking, that should be fixed, guys. It should not vary. Fine. Okay, sales price per unit should also be the same. Yes, that's what I just told you. So variable cost per unit shall be fixed. Even if there is any chance of variable costs, then also it should be fixed, and fixed cost should remain constant. So the graph will be in this way, guys. You should just draw it. Okay, so this way, and below the break point will be you will be in loss, and above break point you will be in profit. Okay, so this point we will be calling it as fixed cost, guys, because here we are starting the cost and it is incrementing in an equivalent way. So that is the reason why we are calling it as fixed cost, and the distance here, this angular difference will be your variable cost. Fine. So you can say that the total cost of the product is nothing but variable cost plus fixed cost, guys. Please remember this formula. Okay, so totally we are having three different formulas, guys. So first let us go through advantages first. After that we'll be going through formulas, don't worry. So advantages. So this is simple to conduct and understand, because once you are reaching that point you can say that our business is not in loss, not in profit. Fine. So shows profit and loss at a different levels. Yes, it's simple, it shows simply and helps to in decision making. So what to do next, so we can have a clear idea. So this is all about break even point, guys. So please remember that there is a chance that we can get a question or a problem on this break even point, guys. Okay, so now let us go through the formulas which we use to solve this break even point. Okay, so basically we are having three total formulas, guys. So break even point in units, in terms of money, and in percentage also we are having, guys, but I think I wrote it wrong, so that's why I've cancelled it. Okay, fine. So break even point in units. So in units it is nothing but fixed cost by selling price per unit minus variable cost. So subtraction is nothing but contribution per unit, guys. Selling price minus variable is contribution price. Please remember the formulas, guys, because just by applying formulas you can get 5 to 10 marks if it is a theoretical exam. Fine. Okay, so fixed cost by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. So this is nothing but contribution. So this is BEP, that is nothing but break even point. Fine. So this is in units. Break even point in terms of money, that is nothing but fixed cost by PV ratio. PV ratio is nothing but contribution by sales, whereas contribution is nothing but sales minus variable cost. So if you substitute all the formulas in the above one, you will be getting fixed cost by sales minus variable into scale. Fine, this is not scale, guys, it is sales. So now I hope everyone got a small idea. Okay, so similarly we are having this also, guys, break even point in percentage also we will be having. So just to check in Google, guys, so better, that will be better. I think I have written it wrong. Okay, so even we are having one more concept, that is nothing but margin of safety. So margin of safety, the formula is actual sales minus break even sales. So marginal safety is nothing but are you in the profit zone, are you in the safe zone or not, that you can justify. So marginal safety ratio is nothing but margin of safe sales by sales into 100. So we'll be going through the problems, then you'll be having a clear idea, guys. So I hope everyone got a small idea on the formulas. So in the next lecture we'll be going through the problems. Thank you. Thanks for watching.